Welcome back to the channel. If you're into supercars, speed, and everything that screams high performance, you're going to love today's video. We're diving into the McLaren 570S, a car that brings together beauty, precision, and raw power in a way only McLaren can. So buckle up, because this is going to be a thrilling ride. The McLaren 570S is part of McLaren's sports series, and even though it's considered an entry-level model in the lineup, there's nothing basic about it. At its heart, the 570S is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 562 horsepower, which is where it gets its name. That engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers lightning-quick gear shifts, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.1 seconds. That's serious speed, especially for a car that's more road-friendly than some of its higher-tier McLaren siblings. From the outside, the design of the 570S is unmistakably McLaren. It features those signature dihedral doors, aggressive aerodynamics, and a body that looks like it's moving even when standing still. The carbon fiber monocell 2 chassis gives it a lightweight yet extremely rigid structure, which is key to both performance and handling. The entire car weighs just around 1,440 kilograms, which helps explain how effortlessly it can tear up the road or track. Inside the 570S, it's a blend of performance-focused design and everyday comfort. Unlike many supercars, the cabin is surprisingly usable. There's enough headroom, supportive sport seats, and a modern infotainment system. It's not overly luxurious, but it's very driver-focused. Everything is designed to enhance your connection with the car and the road. On the road, the McLaren 570S handles like a dream. Thanks to its finely tuned suspension and hydraulic steering system, it offers sharp feedback and incredible control through corners. It's a car that makes you feel like a better driver. Confident, in control, and fully engaged. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or at your local track day, the 570S adapts and excels. One of the best things about the 570S is its balance. It doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it's built for precision. The brakes are strong and consistent, the aerodynamics keep the car planted, and the mid-engine layout provides great weight distribution. This car isn't just about flash, it's a real performance machine. Of course, a car like the 570S isn't cheap. But in the world of supercars, it offers a lot of value. You get stunning looks, top-tier engineering, and track-level performance, all in a package that's more usable than many of its rivals. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone dreaming of your first supercar, the 570S is worth serious consideration. That wraps up our look at the incredible McLaren 570S. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and drop a comment letting me know your favorite.